Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about and discuss about the important informations and questions in MIS 203 subject that inshallah will help you to understand the subject more. So, first we will talk about the table of contents. First, we'll talk about Module 4, IT infrastructure and components of IT infrastructure, hardware trends and technologies, and second we will talk about Module 5, databases. What's a database and principles of database management systems, DBMS. Third, we will talk about Module 6, networks, components and technologies of networks, and types of networks. Finally, Module 7 will talk about information system security, why systems are vulnerable, and tools and technologies for safeguarding information. And conclusion in the end of the video. So, Cloud IT infrastructure. What are the components of IT infrastructure? There are 5 components. First, computer hardware, physical equipment used for input, processing, and output, like services and desktops and mobile devices. Second, computer software, system and application software that controls hardware and performs tasks. Third, data management technology, software and systems for organizing and managing businesses' data. Fourth, networking and telecommunications technology, tools for data transmission including internet technologies. And the final component is technology services, support services provided by internal staff or external vendors. What are the major computer hardware and data storage and input and output technologies used in businesses? So, first we'll talk about the hardware, the mainframes, services and PC and workstations and supercomputers. Second, storage, magnetic disk and optical disk like CD and DVD, and magnetic tips or tape or tip, and SAN. So third, we will talk about the input, the keyboard and mouse and touch screen and scanners and sensors. And finally, the output, screens and printers and speakers. What is a database and how does a relational database organize data? Okay, a database is a collection of related files. A rational database organizes data in tables, relations with rows, records, and tuple and columns files. Each tables represent an entity like suppliers, and each row is uniquely identified by a primary key. So, we have here an important question. What are the principles of a database management systems, DBMS? So, a DBMS lets users create and store and access and update data. In key principles, logical and physical views and operations like select, project, join, and capabilities like data definition and data manipulation and reporting. Fourth, supports both rational and non-rational models. So, here we have an important question. What are the principal components of telecommunications networks and key networking technologies? Includes silent and server computers, network interface and operating systems. Third, switches, routers and hubs. Fourth, transmission media like fiber, optics and wireless. And protocols like TCP and IP. These components enable effective communication and data sharing. What are the different types of network or networks? So, first we have LAN. It means local area network. And second, we have WAN. It means wide area network. Third, MAN. It means metropolitan area network. And fourth, PAN. It means personal area network. And finally, VPN. It means virtual private network for secure remote access. So here we have an important question. Why are information systems vulnerable to destruction, error, and abuse? First, hardware and software failures. And second, human error. And third, malware and phishing and hacking. Third, natural disasters. And final or fourth, poor system design and lack of internal controls. So, what are the most important tools and technologies for safeguarding information resources? That inshallah will help you to get more safeguarding in your computers or services. The first, firewalls and antivirus software. Second, intrusion detection systems and encryption like SSL and VPN. Fourth, access control. Fifth, security policies and auditing tools. So, in conclusion, I hope this video will help you inshallah to understand some of the important informations in this big subject and to let you know about the important questions in this subject. So I hope you enjoy and learn in this video, and if you have any questions, please write it in the comments so we can inshallah help you and answer this question to let you know about to let you know more about this subject inshallah. Thank you for listening and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.